Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rupankar sir. Today we are going to discuss about English meaning of some daily use Assamese sentences. Madhu, ki ase tomar tat? That means, Madhu, what do you have? Iman dhuniya, that means, how pretty. Etu kenekoi korila tumi? That means, how did you do this? Muko dia, that means, give me as well. Moi etu rakhibo paro ne? That means, can I keep this? Etu khosa khosi nisina lagise, nohoy ne? That means, this looks real, doesn't it? Etu kenekoi hol? That means, how did this happen? Sinta nokoriba, that means, don't worry. Moi agotiakoi khai dilu, that means, I ate already. Agbahi joa, that means, move forward. Moi etu hojo koribo noaru, that means, I can't stand this. Moi etio hetuke bhabi asu, that means, I'm still thinking about that. Etu khosa, that means, this is true. Moi ghorot asu, that means, I'm at home. Tat kon ase, that means, who's there? Kiman somoy lagibo? That means, how long would it take? Tumi koribo nalagisil, that means, you should not have. Muk namariba, that means, don't beat me. Mor tuponi oha nai, that means, I'm not sleepy. Tumi mor atatkoi bhal bondhu, that means, you are my best friend. That's all for today. Let me know how you like this video by commenting and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.